had an awful life. I didn't do well at school. I left school with no exams, and to be honest, I wasn't interested in school. I started getting into trouble, and I did end up in prison, to be honest. But as time got on, I thought, I can't take any more of being in trouble. I've got to do something with my life.
Mandy has, obviously has a very problematic past life, and we didn't find out about it, certainly not straight at the beginning. It's sort of she let out little snippets as we got to know her, really.
Years ago, I didn't want to know, but now I will talk it through, and I feel respected now. And I've got respect for others as well, which I never had before.
She's also very supportive of the other students in the class. If any of them have a problem and she's finished her work, she's very happy to help them.
And when they found out I could help other students, they put me forward to help as a learning support assistant within the college. And that really built my confidence up.
She's used learning different to most people that just come for qualifications or for enjoyment. Some people, she's actually used learning as the vehicle to overcome her own boundaries and barriers, really.
If somebody came to me who had been in prison and wanted to go back to learning, I would encourage them. I'd go, do it. Go to college. It would be the best thing you've ever done. And if it's say, well, how would you know that? I'd have to say, do you really want to know? I've been there. I've done it.
Congratulations to Mandy. Well done. Really proud of you, Mandy.
I love my life. Absolutely love it. I am so pleased I have won this award. I really am. And yeah, I just love it.